12 divided by 2 over 3 times 3. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 1. We are left with 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. 6 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the operations, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are going to work from our left to our right, which is we have to solve 12 divided by 2 over 3 first before solving our multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. We are going to be solving it using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 12, change division to multiplication, then flip 2 over 3 to 3 over 2, then multiply by 3. Then let us simplify. 2 into here 1, 2 into 12 will give us 6. Then we have 6 times 3 times 3. 6 times 3 will give us 18. Then we have 18 times 3. 18 times 3 is equals to 54. 54 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.